Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whosoever performs a prayer without reciting Quran in it, his prayer is defective." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam repeated this sentence thrice and said, "It is incomplete." Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu was asked, "Very often we perform the prayer in the lead of an imam. So what should we do?" Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu replied, "Ponder on the meanings of chapter Fatiha. For I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, the prayer chapter Fatiha has been divided into two halves between me and my bondsman, and my bondsman will get what he implores when the bondsman submits, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise is unto Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the Lord of the worlds. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, my bondsman has glorified me. When he says, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, the most affectionate, extremely beneficent, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon says, my bondsman has extolled me. When he utters, Maliki Yawmiddin, the master of the day of requital, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, my bondsman has venerated me. Once he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, my bondsman has entrusted himself to me. When he says, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, we worship you alone and beg you alone for help. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, it is between me and my bondsman, and he will get whatever he beseeches. When he says, Ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim, sirat al-ladhina an'amta alayhim, ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. Guide us to the straight path, the path of those whom you have favored, not of those who have earned your anger, and nor of those who have gone astray. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu thereupon says, it is for my bondsman, and my bondsman will procure whatever he asks. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 876.